Hey guys, my name is Ben. You're watching Upcountry Electric. We've got a small trouble call today for some aeration blowers at a tiny sewage treatment plant. The blowers apparently aren't working, all of them, so it's probably something systemic with the power for them, but we'll get there and we'll try our best to figure it out. All right, see you there.
There's our little blower panels. So it looks like 1 and 4 is line in. Good. And 2 and 5 is line out. Nothing on the line out. It's an off. Okay, well that's why. And blower 4 is also in off. Got power in. No power out. Blower 1 is also in off. And 2 is off as well. Alright, let's try and run number 1. Put it on amps, run it continuous. Nothing. Is power going out to it? Okay, it's got power going out with no amps. Okay. And 2. Let's put it in continuous. 16 amps. Looks like an overload on 2. Trip the breaker. Interesting. Alright. Let's try 3. Relay sure is buzzing. Let's see what kind of volts we got. No output volts. There we go. Hit the reset. Must have overloaded. 30 amps, pops the trip. Yep. So they're all 3 is overloaded. Let's see. Yeah. 3 is overloading. 4 is overloading. One is not doing anything. And 2 is overloading also. Yeah, I think they just got to replace them all. Let's see. There's 1 got voltage when it calls for it. Yep, voltage going out, no current on 1. Let's have a look. Well, that might be your problem. It's not plugged in. Let's try that. There we go. Alright, cool. Let's see our amperage. Yep. Overload. Okay, so they're all toast. Yeah, they need all new blowers. Alright. See you on the next one.